How to set up deposit and withdraw on Telegram wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, start by opening up your Telegram, and what you need to do is to simply click on search icon on the top and search for @wallet. Now once you search for this is going to show you Buildterra, which is the official wallet of Telegram, where you can send or receive crypto. So you need to simply click on start chat and click on wallet on the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you are in, what you need to do is to simply click on the more assets, and this is going to show you all the assets that you have in your wallet right now. On the top you will see your total balance. You also have P2P market if you want to purchase or sell something, and you can also withdraw it into your bank account. Otherwise, click on the Bitcoin. Let's say as an example you want to receive some Bitcoin into your Telegram wallet. So click on receive and click on copy address. Now open up any third-party exchange and go to the wallet on the bottom right. In this case I will be using Binance. You can use any other like Bybit, Trust Wallet or BitGet. Then click on the withdraw. Now I need to search for Bitcoin and click on send via crypto network. Then what you need to do is to simply paste your address just like so. Select the network. It is also going to select automatically, which is Bitcoin. Enter the amount that you want to go with and then click on the withdraw. Always make sure to do a test transaction like $5 or $10, and when you receive it within the given time, in this case 1 hour, into your Telegram, you can then go with a larger amount like 100, 200 or even $1,000. Now once you have received, you can also click on exchange. You can go with P2P market, and if I click on sell option, I can simply select my currency, my method, which is going to be your bank transfer or any other payment method that you want to go with. You also have Wise, Revolut as an example. Let's say Revolut, and click on done button. Now if I want to buy, I can buy with my Revolut account, and if I want to sell this, I can also sell it directly into my Revolut balance. Like whenever you sell something, this is going to transfer the money into your bank account directly. Hope this helped. This is how you can set up deposit and withdraw on Telegram wallet.